Hello, this is Trackzam project team 6. Uh, our project is an AV tracker for research in Inametrics. This is linked to our GitHub. Functionality of our project. We record audio, video, mouse, keyboard, and active window. We have a video server. It stores video, analyzes it, and creates video logs, and sends these logs to the store server. Store server stores all the data and answers to requests. Our architecture client, which collects all the data, sends this data to the store server and video server. Video server resolves the user and creates logs and sends this data to store server. Store server resolves the user and stores all the data. This is our client. Here we have 3 spaces where we should enter data. Decisions we made. We have one user account and one admin account. We will show them later. Explanation why would we do that? We didn't want to add additional users when the server is launched. So login and password parameters should be told to the user by project manager, and email is the thing that will distinguish users. So for example, username and username password, remember these things, and my email is Irut-Sagan in the Press University. These things are predefined by the maintainer, and this is my email. For example, we start recording. We make some activity and stop recording. This is what we get in the window. We open some file and see this file. Then we show, like when we show the database and see exactly the same files here. Main window, and so on. The client can be downloaded from the GitHub repository release. Servers. Both are Django servers. Both handle HTTP requests. Both have databases. Video server is analyzing video, and storage server stores and answers to some requests. Requests storage server answers to show all the databases and show suspicious activities for specific user in range of time. Suspicious activity is not present, loud noise, and the window focus changed. For example, what happens if you hide from camera, randomly click your mouse, and talk at the same time? Not present, like it's for me at the time. Not present, loud noise, and Windows focus changed. How do we handle servers? Like how do you install them? Install Git, Docker Compose on your machine, clone the repo. After that, set proper environment variables, like set the host IP on which your Docker will run port, and these 6 variables. Do you remember username and username password? They are settled here when the server is first launched. So set them and launch the server and tell the user credential, the client credentials. Here you also should create your admin and set his credentials also. Make sure that all the ports are allowed to the network. There are 3 containers: DB, web server, and video server. These 6 parameters should be same at both of the containers because the user use the same credentials for both of the servers. And after that, you just use Docker Compose build, Docker Compose up. I will thank you, but before that, we need to show the recordings. Start recording. I already used my, import my email, so it's okay. I hide it from the screen, so it doesn't see me. I entered Google, changed to GitHub. This is Google platform, and I went back. So this is actually the server on which my server runs. Stop recording, and we see this screen. For example, active window, it changed to Google platform and so on. And we want to see what happened on the server. So this is the server. We got requests, and now we send a new requests. Remote get suspicious. So we got it. And what do we do is search for it. Loud noise, window focus changed to main window, and so on. So this is what we have. And now I have to tell you, thank you for your attention.